Here is how to change any image that you want to change inside Bolt. What you're going to do is first host the image somewhere. So don't go pasting it here and having Bolt try to put it in. What you're going to do is host it somewhere. I like to use ImageKit. You can get a free account here, and a link to that will be in the description of this video. And then you will go and upload your image. Just do a file upload here, just like I've done with this one. Once you upload the file, you'll copy that link, and you're going to go over to Bolt and you're going to select the element that you want to change. So we're going to use this inspector here, and we're going to select this element, and we're going to say, please replace this with this image. And we're going to say also remove the heart icon next to it. And it's going to process this change. We've given it exactly the span we want to use. Okay, so it's having a little trouble removing that. That's fine. We'll just go over here and say, remove this icon. You can be a little picky about your selections. There we go. And our image is replaced. We could go down here and do the same thing. Might be able to select this whole container. Replace this content with this image. There we go. The image is replaced out. Now we have our logo there. So that's how you replace images with an image of your own. Or in this case, we replaced text with a logo image that we have. And you can do that very easily in Bolt. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and follow. And if you need help building or finishing your app, click the link in my bio to book a one-on-one Zoom call to take a look at your project.